Hey guys, welcome to Grace Automation and Engineering Services. In this video, we are going to discuss the automation of tank filling system. Here we have two modes of operation, auto mode and manual mode. In auto mode, level of the water in the tank will be measured, and if it's found to be less than 30%, filling will start automatically. While the draining, it's always done through the button start drain and stop drain. So when this button will be pressed, drain valve will be open, that will be indicated by this indicator, and when we press the stop draining, it will stop and this indicator will also turn off. If draining is continuously on, the water in the tank will get low up to 30%, and then it will start filling again until it's full up to 100%. Once it's full up to 100%, as draining is on, the level will get down, and when it will reach again 30%, the filling will start again. So while in the manual mode, we have total control on filling and draining. So draining will also be controlled by these buttons, and filling will be controlled by these buttons. So when we shall press start draining, it will start draining and indicator will be on. So the water level will get down. If we press the start filling, during that the filling will also start along with draining, so the overall water level will increase. So the filling, if the only the filling is running, the water level will go up to 100%. Whether we are in the manual mode, the level of the water cannot go above 100%. So that's a limitation. It's limited to 100%. And these are the indicators for showing the current mode of the operation, auto mode and manual mode. So here is the logic for controlling the tank filling. Here we have the outputs of drain valve and fill valve. So let's start testing. So the logic is designed in TwinCAT 3 for Beckhoff PLC. So here let's log in and turn the system into run mode, and for the HMI, let's turn on the live view. So here let's see the logic and HMI in parallel. So here currently the auto mode is selected, and the tank is full. So let's start draining. Here we can see that draining valve is on and water level is going down. When it reached 30%, the filling started again, and the water level rised up to 100%, and then as it was draining, it got down again. So let's stop the draining here. Here we can see that it's stopped here. So filling is also stopped and draining is stopped. That filling will start again when the level of the water will go below 30%. So let's drain some more water. So here, if we stop draining, so here we can see that when it's filled up to 100%, the fill valve has turned off. Now let's test the manual mode. Here now we are in the manual mode and we can control the filling and draining as the tank is full, so we cannot do more filling. If we click the filling, it will not turn on the fill valve as tank is already full. So let's firstly drain. Here we can see that it's draining. We can stop draining and then start filling and stop filling at any level. So it will be filled up to 100% and then the fill valve will be turned off automatically. If we start both draining and the filling, so here we can see that as filling is more prominent, got full up to 100%, as now the draining is also continuous, so the filling is running along with draining so that the level of the water in the tank can be maintained. If we stop draining here, the filling will also stop as tank is full up to 100%. So tank filling is working fine both for auto and manual mode. Thanks for watching. See you next time.